Hey guys, this is YouTube this video. Now we're back with another new video. And of course, today's Friday, October 30th, 2020 is now just at the 2 p.m. now. And of course, as you can see, I'm not in Mount Pearl now. Sorry, I'm not at home now. I'm actually here at Bound Park here in St. John's, Newfoundland, capital and largest city here in the island. Yep. Oh yeah. Of course, I'll keep you on break, which is pretty awesome, yep. And of course, as you can see, come the campfire again. I'll show you my winter hat. That's because it's cold here in St. John's. Probably around 1-2 degrees right now, yep. So of course, so the weather was actually fun, yep. I actually left probably around a couple hours ago, and I'll soon heading back. Oh yeah. So of course I actually just basically left home just after 12, and we covered stops in Polish before heading on over here. It took me probably around about half hour or so to get here. Yep, furious. Of course, let me tell you, it's been a fun ride so far, yep. Makes it have been fun over here before heading on back toward home, yep. Oh, pretty much, yep. So, anyway, so of course, yep, don't know see because I actually kind of a bit tired. I won't out for the ride. But of course, I do got another little while to go yet, probably another hour or so till he gets back home. Oh yeah, go be a long ride home from St. John's, yep. Oh yeah, right on. So of course, tomorrow is Halloween also, but yep. But of course, it's gonna be a cold Halloween too, just like today, yep. Oh yeah, so of course, since Halloween is coming up, what do you dress up as? Comment down below if you're dressing up or not. Yep, but of course I won't be dressed up because I'm kind of too over that. Yep. But of course I always many people my age aren't too for dressing up yet. Yeah, true. Yep. Oh yeah, but of course, but of course, they did not study the clocks will go back an hour, which means that didn't see time will be ending on study at 2 a.m. Newfoundland time, which is 12:30 Eastern time and 1:30 Atlantic time. Yep. Oh yeah. Pretty much. So of course, so of course for anyone who watches my videos, don't forget to turn your clock back an hour. Yep. On Sunday night. Yep. Oh yeah. And of course in just over a week from today, I'll be my 21st birthday. Can you believe it? I turned 21. Yep, the big 21. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm getting old. Yep. Oh yeah. Pushing 30. Yep. Yeah. Joe Felix getting old. Yep. Oh yeah. Pretty much. Yep. So So I don't know what I can plan for my birthday yet, but of course, I'll definitely film a birthday live stream or like whatever, or maybe even look to show you guys what I got for your birthday. Yep, pretty much. Yep. Oh yeah. And of course, come very soon in about on January 30th, 2021, will be my 10th anniversary of on YouTube. Oh yeah, I joined YouTube back on January 30th, 2011. Yep. and of course, it's been a fun 10 years so far. And that'll be a big milestone for me, yep. Oh yeah, pretty much. So I don't know what I can plan for the 10-year anniversary of Mr. Video Dude Show 9 yet, but of course, guess we just had to meet and see it all figured out at least sometime in January, yep. Oh yeah. Look, so I'll keep on doing my regular videos, yep. Oh yeah. Right on. So of course, anyways, of course, my I'm gonna end this here because my head's getting cold and I'm not with my gloves as you can see, yep. So of course, yep, pretty much, and it's mighty secret numbers out there with yep. So of course, today I'll show you guys around round 2. So of course, this is the little waterfall duck pond round 2 now. Lots of ducks over here, yep. Oh yeah. And of course, you see waterfall, water speaker over there with these. Kind of like 1 mile per, but smaller. Yep. And here's the benches over here, yep. Yep. And I'm at the area where the Peter Pan statue is, yep. Which is right over here, yep. Yeah, this little Peter Pan over there, yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And to the bunny rabbits, and of course, up there's globe Peter Pan, yep. And here you got a couple of Goose's shoulder, yep. Oh yeah. And of course, here's the different if you want to read the pocket, yep. So of course, anyway, I'm gonna head to end this video with the guys. So of course, I just hope you guys like this little vlog from Brown Park. And of course, stay tuned for some more videos coming up very soon. So over that, guys. Sorry for the stuttering throughout this video. So over that, guys. Peace. Bye. See you later.